Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Karya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you all a few math tricks, okay? And these tricks are going to be useful for all aspiring students who are appearing for any competitive exams, be it school level, be it post-grad level, be it college level. Without wasting time, let's start the first to find the squares of numbers. So what are squares? When you multiply a number with itself, you get a square number. First trick is to find the squares of number ending with 5. Okay? So for example, if I want to find 45 square, this is the way we write the square sign. This raised to 2 means square. So 45 square. What is the shortcut? Just looking at the number, I can find the answer. And yes, here we go. First, we know 5 into 5, that is 25. And the remaining number 4, multiplied with its next immediate number, which is 20. And what will be your answer here now? 2025. You can get this answer less than 30 seconds. This rule applies to 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any kind of numbers ending with 5. Next trick is, the trick number 2 is to find the squares of numbers ending with 1. Okay. Now numbers specifically ending with 1, let's take up 31 square. Okay. First step. Write always 1 in the units place of the answer. Second step, double the number in the tens place. So when I double the number in the tens place, I get 6. Third step, square the number in the tens place. So the number in the tens place is 3. 3 square is 9 and that is my answer. So 31 square is 961. Let's take a bigger number, 71 square. 71 square says what? Same method. First, 1 square, 1. I write 1 in the units place. Double the number in the tens place. Now when I double the number in the tens place, it gives me 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. I can't write 14. So what do? I write only the number in the units place of the double answer. I write only 4 and now I circle that 1. The last step, square the number in the tens place. 7 square is 49. Do not forget the carryover, which is 50. And there goes your final answer, 5041. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the 2 tricks we have studied. To find the squares of numbers ending with 5 and to find the squares of numbers ending with 1. First step, numbers ending with 5. We have to write 25 in the answer and 9 multiplied by its next number, which is 90. Just look at the number and you get the answer. Next, 51 square. Find the numbers ending with 1. Find the squares of numbers ending with 1. 1 square, 1. Next step, 5 into 2, which is 10. Remember, you don't write the whole 10. You just write the 0 and you carry forward the number in the tens place. Last step, square the number in the tens place, which is 5 square 25 plus 1, which is 26, and your final answer is 2601. Absolutely basic skills which can be used till your lifelong. Alright? Next, but it's not necessary every time you get only the numbers ending with 5 or numbers ending with 1. So what is the trick to find the squares of any number, like 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, any number? So proceeding to the last trick and the final trick to find the squares of any number. I hope this was absolutely useful to you all. This trick can also be used in your school when you have those big questions where you have to find the squares or square numbers. So to find the square of any number, find the square of any number, and let me just take a very easy number. Alright, first one that I take is 76. Okay, now 76 square. Alright, I break the number 76 into two parts, 7 and 6. My first step, 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. The step is not over. Next step, I have to multiply 7 into 6 into 2. That means I have to multiply 7, 6 and 2. Okay. So 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Now this 84 I have to add, but always remember you don't add it in the units place. You add from the tens place. So you start writing the number. Alright. And now when I add this, what do I get? 5776. Okay. Please do try this trick. It's absolutely useful trick. Let's take one more two-digit number. So my next number is 98. Let's find 98 square. Okay. First step, break the number. 8 square is 64. 9 square, that is 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. The sum has not got over here. What is my next step? I multiply all these numbers, 9, 8 and 2. 9 8s are 72, 72 into 2, which is 144. So where will I write 144? Below this number. Remember, you don't have to write from the units place. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carried over. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 8 plus 1, 9. You can get the square of any number in less than 1 minute. These were two-digit number. We'll try three-digit ones also. Okay? So for three-digit number, I take 139. Now we break the number in two parts. Okay? So how? I cannot draw three lines. I have to just break it, units and the remaining. Okay? So first step, 9 square, 81. Second step is 13 square. Now 13 square you can always find it with your previous trick, or 13 square is 169. The sum is not over. What do? Multiply 13 into 9 into 2. Right? So 13 into 18, that is what we have to multiply. Or 13 twos is 26. 26 into 9 is very easy to find. 234. Where will I write it from? Leaving the units place. Let's add. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 19321. One more of this. Okay. Let's take 564 square. I know I have taken a very big number, but see the beauty of this trick. I break the number. First step, 4 square, 16. Next step, 56 square. I don't know 56 square. I can easily find with my trick. What do I do? 6 square, 36. 5 square, 25. 5 into 6 into 2. 5 6 are 30, 32 are 60. 3136. Now what do I do? I multiply 56 into 4 into 2. 4 2s is 8. 56 into 8, you can do horizontal multiplication, or we are going to come up with the tricks of multiplication very soon in our new videos. Five 8s are 40, 448. Leave the units place. 6 plus 4, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yes, we are here with the answer. Alright, so these tricks are absolutely easy for finding the squares of any numbers. Let's go ahead. Squares to हमने सीख लिया. Let's try to find out the square root. Now what is a square root? So square root is a base number. So for example here, 139 square is 19321. So square root of 19321. Square root of 19321 is 139. How do we find it? Let's come across it. Okay, so the last trick for today is to find the square root of numbers. Okay, so let's take an easy square root, 7744. Okay, now 7744. This square root, if you see, you have to go with your base numbers. Like remember the squares from 1 to 9. Okay, when you go for the base numbers, this square basically 8 square is 64 and 80 square is 6400. Yes. And then comes your 90 square. 90 square is 8100. So this number 7744 lies in between 80 and 90. Yes. So, but which could be the number? Now if you see 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. So your number in the units place can be 2 or 8. Alright. So the answer can be 82 or 88. Right. Then go back to the number, original number 7744. 7744 is closer to which number? 644, 6400 or 8100? Obviously 8100. So 7744 is the square of which number? 88 and not 82. So with prediction, you can find out the square roots. Let's take another number. Let's take our next number 9801. Okay. Again 9801, very clearly we can see lies between 90 square and 100 square. 90 square is again we know 8100. 100 square is very easy, 10,000. Alright. So 9801, 1. So which numbers have 1 in the units place? It could be 1 square 1 or 9 square which is 81. So it could be 1 or 9, but not 1 or 9. It could be 91 or 99. Now which two numbers? Let's check. 9801 is closer to 10,000. So whichever number it is closer to, that becomes your square root. So 9801, the square root of 9801 is 99. Let's quickly take a 3-digit number. So 3-digit number 25281. Come on, y'all can try with me. A bigger number than 100, right? Never mind, when we know these square tricks, we always remember getting to 20 squares also. So 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 256. So 150 square is 22500 and 160 square is 25600. Very important. What is the base? Units place 1. So the number in the units place of the square root could be 1 or 9. Okay. So it could be either 151 or 159. Very important. 25281. Just looking at the number, I know that it's closer to 25600. So what's the square root? 159. Very good. This we can do it less than 1 minute. Since I'm teaching you, I'm doing it a little slow for that you are to understand. Okay. So we have learned our 4 techniques, 3 tricks of finding the squares, and fourth one was to find the square root of any number. Now, please subscribe to our channel to get more such math tricks by Dr. Neha Karya. My next video is releasing soon to find the cubes of number and the cube roots. Alright? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.